beautiful here at the Gold Coast. Don't forget to live every moment of every day. Keep raising that vibration, 999, 999, 999. And if those people injure you, bind them, energetically bind them. So bind them sort of when you have a negative thought about them, bind them from the shoulders to the toes so that they can't be moving. Blindfold them if they're seeing things. Put a energetic gag if they're saying things that they shouldn't be saying. This way you'll slowly but surely start to disconnect your energy from the people who are creating harm. And and just remember, keep living life. Life is good. Have a good one.